Today's students need more than academic knowledge. They need experience, exposure, mentorship, and opportunities that prepare them for the real world before graduation. Across institutions, learning is happening every day. Yet many graduates still struggle with employability because industry expectations continue to evolve faster than traditional learning models. What if students could start building experience before graduation? What if learning, internships, projects, and earning opportunities became part of the academic journey itself? To solve this challenge, we designed a structured ecosystem that progressively transforms students from learners into confident, industry-ready professionals. The journey begins with awareness. Through industry masterclasses, students gain clarity about careers, market trends, portfolio expectations, networking strategies, and future opportunities. Knowledge becomes valuable only when applied. Our workshops focus on practical execution, helping students strengthen portfolios, personal branding, communication, outreach, and real-world problem solving. The value-added program provides structured learning over multiple weeks. Students learn, apply, complete assignments, build projects, receive mentorship, and earn industry-relevant certification. Students collaborate in teams to solve real challenges, build digital products, and experience how modern organizations operate. The focus is not only on skills, but also teamwork, execution, and ownership. Industry readiness comes from real exposure. Through internships, projects, mentor reviews, and execution opportunities, students gain confidence and build portfolios that stand out. Every institution is different. That is why our engagement model remains flexible. From a single masterclass to workshops, value-added programs, cohorts, and long-term internship collaborations. For institutions, the benefits extend beyond student learning. Stronger employability, improved placement readiness, enhanced branding, higher engagement, and a future-focused learning ecosystem. The best way to begin is with a pilot masterclass, a low-risk, high-impact initiative that allows institutions to evaluate outcomes, gather feedback, and explore long-term collaboration opportunities. Together, we can build industry-ready engineering talent, strengthen institutional outcomes, and create meaningful impact for students. Let us build the future together.